Following the fumble recovery, Springfield begins 1st and 10 on their 45. Both sides. First and 5 for the Rifles from midfield. Bennett and others on the tackle. Second and a long one from the Titans, 46. Fumbles recovered by the Titans. Officials say no fumble. So it's still, it's 3rd and 1 for the Rifles on the 46. Titans 46. And they pick up a first down. 1st and 10 for the Rifles on the Titans 41. Second and 9 for the Rifles on the 40. Ball's loose. And it's recovered by the Titans. Following the fumble recovery, Titans begin 1st and 10 on their 40. Oscar Hernandez, the ball carrier. 2nd and 5 for the Titans from their 45. Titans pick up a first down in Rifle territory on the 40. Oscar Hernandez, the ball carrier. 2nd down and a short one on the 31. John Charles picks up the first down. 4 minutes remain in the game. Titans 1st and 10 on the Rifles 28. Oscar gets nowhere on the first carry. 2nd and 12 from the 30. That's going to be a false start. Second and 17 now from the Titans 35. Francis manages to get it away. About 3 minutes remain in the game. Titans taking their time. It's third down and long. Officials say that Ramirez was in the grasp. I don't know why they're taking so long. Incomplete. Oscar Hernandez, the intended target. 2 minutes remain in the game. It's fourth down and very far to go. It is caught by Jean-Charles. However, not enough for a first down. Flag on the play during the discussion. Unsportsmanlike conduct on the defense. That'll be 15 yards. Titans take a timeout. 2 minutes remain in the game. First and 10 for Springfield on their 35. Flag on the play. Bennett on the stop. 5-yard face mask penalty against the Titans makes it 2nd and 3 for the Rifles on their 43. Jean-Charles and others on the stop. Titans call a timeout. 3rd and 4 for the Rifles from their 42. Play clock is running down. It's still 2 minutes somehow or another left in the game. It's 1st and 10 for the Rifles on the Titans 46. Second and 6 from the 42. Play clock running way down. Less than a minute remains in the game. Rifles 3rd and 3 from the Titans 40. They pick up a first down. That's the end of the game. Rifles over the Titans, 6-0.